Okay, just have a look at one first, move out of the way. Right, 55. Done it. That left toe pointing at me. Good lead, Jake, good. Don't get caught driving, moving into stuff you don't need to. Alright, unlucky. Did you nick it? Ready? Good shot. Right ball to drive is very full. Good, well watch Jake, better. Jake, move that left one, just that one on the left. Yeah, knock it to me. Go on then, Liam. Hit that ball. You all right? Does it matter? You're hot. You feel sick. Right, Liam, just relax. If you feel too hot, take your top off. And get a little drink. A little drink of water. Have you just had tea?
No.
Good lead. Don't move that front foot too early, Jake. Try and pick up the ball. Good lead, Jake. Brilliant. All right, unlucky. Keep working. All right, unlucky. It's that little corridor that's difficult for you, Jake, with your eye, yeah? That's all it is, so just don't worry about it. Right shot, but... Through mid on. Show me that lovely on drive. Show me an on drive, Jake. Yeah, through mid on, that's all it was. Great lead, Jake. Brilliantly. Unlucky. I don't quite know how that's got through, Jake, to be honest. Because the shot looked perfect. Keep working. Alright, keep waiting for it. Don't plant too early, wait for the ball, wait for the ball. And that's 4. Best place to hit it on a cricket field. Good lead. Great lead. Good. Last one. Come here, Liam. Yeah, well. Okay, got to get your left foot a bit closer to it. Alright? It's just going a little bit inside the line. So you're always a little bit inside the line. Get that foot across. Up you come here. And Liam, down you go. .45 for you, okay?
Yeah.
My dad said they're more alright for the Wednesdays.
Oh, you'll be alright for Wednesdays, okay?
Well, I don't know about Liam, what I would.
Alright, okay. You need to do something else on a Wednesday. Toes level. Right, ready? Really watching that ball, Liam. Watch the ball, well played. You didn't panic, you watched it, yeah? Just take your time and watch the ball. What are we doing over there? Yeah. What shot's that? A T20 shot. Right, just stay there and back. You struck it beautifully, but we're not going to get many runs if I do keep doing that every ball, are we? Ready? Just keep watching it. Ready? All right. See if we can hit it. Try and make contact. Okay. Well watched, Liam. Make contact with your spot with that left foot, yeah? Your left foot needs to hit that red spot. Beautiful shot, Liam. Liam, what a shot that is. And I've got it on video. You need to save that on your phone for your screensaver. Ready? Watch it. Liam, how can we play a shot like that before and then we play one like that? Well, we're not even looking at the ball. Hey? You're looking at Everton's trophy cabinet up in the sky. It's got nothing in it. Come on, concentrate. Move your toes over a little bit, leg stump. A bit more. Right, nice and straight. Come on, hit it back at me. Wait for the ball. Good. Liam, really wait for the ball. Keep saying to yourself, wait for it. Think straight. Straight. Lovely shot. It bounced and look how well you played it. Lovely shot, Jake. Concentrate, Liam. Come on. Concentrate. With that foot closer to the ball, you'd have driven it. Lovely shot. And again. Keep your balance. Toes on leg stump. All right, well watched. All right, Liam, look where you're finishing up. Where were you when you hit the ball? Yeah, but you're way outside leg stump as well. Remember, your right foot doesn't move. It's your left one you're moving, yeah? All right, check, see where your right foot is. Don't let it move. Shot. What a shot, Liam. Keep your right foot still. All right. Watching it. Right, could you drive that? Why not? So why have we tried to drive it then? Why have you not just defended it? Come on then, you know what to do. You've got to make yourself do it. Back foot, stay still. Where did your left foot go? Left foot didn't go near the ball, did it? And that's what caused the big gap. Lovely shot, Jake. And again. Ready, last one. Toes level, feet a bit wider apart. Come on. Sniff the ball, show me a lovely straight drive. Good. Round we come, up we come, and you come, Jake. Keep that back foot still, Liam, yeah? Keep that back foot still. We've got to say to ourselves, every ball, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it. Even on there, when you're doing the drills, look at me on here, don't move it if you're on the spot. Hit the ball, but keep it planted on the spot, okay? That'll solve a lot of your issues, batting. Ready, Jake? 55. I'm going to hit a couple more over there, I can watch them. Move out of the way, Jake. Let me have a look at one. There we go. It's good enough for Jake Smith. Right. Ready? Bend those knees. Oh. All right. Probably need to play at that, Jake. Yeah. Great lead, Jake. Brilliant. Know where that off stump is. All right, probably didn't need to play at it. Good, well played. Needed to play at it, Jake. Good. Working hard on then, Liam, hit one of them. Back foot, stay still. See how we're swinging round? Try and keep that top hand in control, left hand. Oh, a good delivery, Jake. Swung away slightly. Good, and again, keep working, Jakey. Move that red one out of the way. Jake, do you know what I'm really liking tonight? You're playing and missing, and it's not affecting you. Normally I'd see a strop, or your body language would tell me, oh, I've got him, he's gone. Tonight I've not seen it. You've just played and missed, you got bowled, you got on with it, and say, come on, keep watching it, keep watching it. Brilliant, that's the attitude we need, isn't it? Really good, come on, show me that again. Well played, good, inside edge, get 2 for that. All right, good. Lovely shot. Good shot selection. Good, keep waiting for the ball, Jake. Let it come to you. All right, that's runs, Jake. No one, keeper's not catching that. Better, Liam. Much better. Strong top hand. All right, going down, unlucky. It's going down. Not out. Jake, elbow high. Show me an on drive. You're just collapsing across it. Show me an on drive. Yep. Don't go as far. Get that left foot. Move that one out of the way. You all right now? Well played, Jake. Good. Really good. Keep watching. Well played. Good. Really good. Try and get that foot across, Jake. A little bit inside it there, won't we? Middled it though. Keep that balance. Try and keep that balance. Hit the ball and hold the shot. Liam. Lovely timing, Jake. Move those two out of the way. Good, Jake. Lovely. Keep leaning into it. Ready? Wait for that ball. Wait for it. Brilliant lead, Jake. 2 to go. 2 good ones. Good. Well, watch. Jake, did you see your head? You just tip that side of it. You've made the right decision not to drive it. Good. Right, Liam, swap round. Up you come, Jake. Jake, knock a few of the balls in a group down there. I'm just going to do Liam these few. Right, back foot to stay still, Liam, yeah? Back foot still, every shot. I'm trying to get that left foot as close to the ball as you can. Right. At school, Jakey?
Yeah.
Anything exciting?
Not really. I've got exams this week.
Oh, dear. Right. Right, Liam, what have I asked you to do? Come on then, show me. Really watch it. Better. Work hard with your left foot now. Left foot's got to find the ball. Right, well watched. Good, keep that back foot still. Keep it still, Liam, keep it still, don't let it move. Nice solid back foot. Good, try and keep your elbow high. So Liam, when your back foot's there, you've got to keep the elbow nice and high because it delays the bottom hand coming through. If you don't keep the elbow high, the bottom hand takes over. Good shot. Practice a couple of sweeps, Jake. This side, come stand this side, yeah. Oh, leave that there, leave that there. You just stand here with your back to me. Yeah, let's play a couple of sweeps, ready? Shot, Liam, lovely shot. And again. Wait for it, keep waiting for it. Liam, do you see how much easier it is when you stay still? Keep watching the ball, watch your toes level. Good, keep leaning into it, smell the ball. Back foot still. Well watch, beautiful on drive. Back foot still, Liam, keep it still. Lovely shot, good boy, much better. Much, much better, keep it still for me. All right, don't get excited. Well watched. Keep watching the ball. Got inside that to hit it. Lovely shot. Good. Left foot a bit closer to it, Liam. We're too far away, aren't we? Hit it under your nose. Right, one more. Oh, best for last. Move your toes over to leg stump, a bit more. Shot. Right, it's probably the best I've seen you play that, Liam. Right, collect those balls up.